Making the Leap into Software Engineering, a step-by-step guide. Welcome back, everyone. Today's episode is for those of you who are standing at the crossroads of your career, looking to make a bold move into software engineering. Maybe you're feeling stuck in your current role, or you've always had a passion for technology and problem-solving, but never acted on it. Whatever the reason, this episode is here to guide you through the process of making the switch. First things first, why software engineering? This field is dynamic, constantly growing, and full of opportunities. It offers flexibility, remote work, freelance options, or working with global tech giants. The demand for skilled engineers is skyrocketing, and it's one of the few careers where you can genuinely change industries without requiring decades of prior experience. But let's be real, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Learning to code and transitioning can be challenging, especially if you're juggling a job, family, or other responsibilities. It requires a clear plan and consistent effort. Start by understanding why you want to make this shift. Is it financial stability, job satisfaction, or maybe the chance to build something meaningful? Defining your why will keep you motivated, especially during those late-night coding sessions when bugs just won't cooperate. Next, evaluate what skills you already have that are transferable. If you're in marketing, you might already know about user behavior. Great for UX design. Software engineering isn't just about writing code, it's about solving problems. Software engineering is a vast field. You could focus on web development, mobile apps, data science, AI, or cybersecurity. Research these areas and pick one that excites you. It's okay to explore a bit, but narrowing down will help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Here's the good news. You don't need a degree to get started. Platforms like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Coursera offer fantastic beginner courses. Start with one programming language. Python and JavaScript are great options for beginners. If you're leaning toward web development, add HTML and CSS to the mix. One of the fastest ways to learn is by building. Start small. Create a simple calculator app, a to-do list, or a personal portfolio website. These projects will not only teach you coding, but also give you something tangible to show potential employers or clients. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Join coding meetups, online communities like Reddit's rlearn programming or dev.tacoma, and connect with other aspiring developers. Sharing your journey and asking questions will open doors you didn't know existed. Finally, when you feel confident in your skills, start applying for jobs or internships. Don't wait to feel perfect. You'll learn a lot on the job. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant projects and skills, even if your previous experience is in a completely different field. Switching careers is never easy, but it's also one of the most rewarding things you can do. The tech industry values skills over pedigree, so your background doesn't define your future. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small wins, and stay consistent. If you've been thinking about making the switch, let this episode be your sign to start today. I believe in you. You've got this. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this push. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.